Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to restart Microsoft Word settings. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now, first of all, open Registry Editor on your window. Go on the search bar and type Registry Editor. Click on Open. Now, here, open H key current user. Under H key current user, click on Software. Now find Microsoft here. As you can see, here's Microsoft. Click on this drop down arrow. Now find Office. Now here's Office. Click on it. Now under Office, click on 16.0. Click on Word once. Right click with your mouse and click on Delete. Select Yes. After this, your Word settings will restore to its default setting. So that's it for the video. That's how you can restart Word settings. Thanks for watching.